Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand two very important accounting topics. First one is ledger and second one is trial balance. If you are a beginner in accounting or bookkeeping, in this video, we'll make these concepts super easy for you. So let's start. First of all, we will introduce what is ledger. So before understanding ledger and trial balance, remember one thing. In accounting, the process goes like first transactions, then prepare journal, then prepare ledger, then trial balance, and then financial statements. So today we are covering the next two important steps after journal. First one is ledger. Okay, so what is ledger? A ledger is like a separate page for each item in your accounts. Imagine you have a notebook and you give one page to each thing like cash, bank, sales, expenses, money coming in, and credit, money goes out. So ledger refers to, for example, if you have suppose you have spent $100 to purchase furniture. So here for furniture we will prepare a ledger, whether for example we have purchased the furniture, so we will debit the furniture and create a separate ledger account for furniture. And second thing is money goes out, because if we purchase the furniture, so we have paid in cash, so cash is credit, and we will prepare a separate ledger for cash as well. So I hope you understand this. And after ledger, what do you get from ledger? So from ledger you will get to know that how much cash you have, you know how much sales you have been made, you know total expenses as well, and the final result is each account will show balance of its own. For example, if you prepare a cash ledger, so you will get to know that how much cash you are left with at the end of the month or year. And if you will prepare a separate ledger for sales, all the transactions of sales will be recorded in one ledger, that is sales ledger. So at the end of the month you will get to know that how much sales you have recorded or made. Okay, and the key point, ledger comes after the journal. First you will prepare journal. For example, you purchase the furniture for $100, so you will pass a journal entry, furniture account debit to cash or credit cash with $100. So once this journal entry have been recorded, after that the ledger will be created for furniture separately and for cash separately. Now talk about what is trial balance. So trial balance is the list of ledger prepared in one place to check whether debit or credit totals are equal. So first thing, you prepared journal, you made some transaction and then you prepared journal for that. After that you created the ledger, and after creating the ledger you will gather the total of each ledger, for example furniture and cash, which we have discussed previously. So for furniture total, for cash total, we will record into trial balance further. And remember, at the end the trial balance should be reconciled. The debit balance should be equal to the credit balance. So in trial balance, after making all ledger accounts, we take final balances, put them into one list. That list is called trial balance. Why trial balance is important? Trial balance helps us check accounting mistakes, confirm debit equals credit, prepare final accounts like profit and loss, balance sheet. So this is the importance of trial balance. And what is the format of trial balance? I haven't shown the trial balance format here, but the trial balance format will include the debit and credit column, only two columns. And if both sides match accounting is mostly correct. Okay. So how it works, example for ledger. So there is an example for ledger. Let's say you started business with 10,000, you bought goods for 2,000, you sold goods for 3,000. Now in ledger, in cash account, you will record first you started the business, so 10,000 came in. If something coming into the business, that is debit. So that's why 10,000 is recorded on debit side. Now 2,000, you bought goods for 2,000. You have purchased the goods and you paid out in cash. So cash is goes out. That's why cash is credit here. You sold goods for 3,000. 3,000 is coming into the business because you have sold out something. So that's why this 3,000 will be debit. So that is how ledger works. And an example of trial balance, once you have finished the ledger, then you will take out the balance from the ledgers to trial balance. And here you can see in the last format, you have seen that in cash account, if you will total out 10,000 debit, 2,000 credit, you will subtract the 2,000 from 10,000. Now the balance is 8,000 and then 3,000 came in from the sale. So 8,000 plus 3,000 is 11,000, and that you can see cash account is recorded with 11,000. The second thing is purchase account. So you purchase the goods, so goods come in, goods are coming in, so goods, or you can say purchase account, will be debited with 2,000. Here you can see 2,000 is recorded on the purchase side, and then sales account with 3,000. So sales is credit because cash comes in but goods sold out. So goods, or can say sales, is credit, and here we have recorded the 3,000 on credit side. If we'll total out for both of the line items, debit and credit, so these are not equal. Because of that, this trial balance is incorrect. However, the 10,000 is less on the credit side. Why? Because here you can see on the first line, you started business with 10,000. If cash comes into the business, so cash is debit. What is credit? Credit is your equity account, and if we will record the equity account in the trial balance, so that will show the credit balance. And if we will record the 10,000 on credit side as an equity, so the total of the credit side will be 13,000. And now you can total out the debit side as well. 11 plus 2 is 13,000. In that way, the trial balance will be matched and this will be correct. Why trial balance is made? To check mistakes, to confirm debit is equal to credit, and to prepare profit and loss, balance sheet and other financial statements. So let me check if okay, so that's all. We don't have any other slides to discuss, and that was a simple meaning which I wanted to explain on the video. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Comment below which accounting topic should I explain next. See you in the next video. Thank you.